Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change icon size on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings, and now right here we have to just open display and brightness option, and here we have to swipe down where we have display zoom option. And as you can see, when we open our larger text option, icons are a bit bigger, and if we want to have them smaller as before, we have to just click on the default and click done. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!